Welcome to our quick at-home workout. We're going to be superheroes today. Take this superhero posture and just hold it for a moment. Shoulders back, head up high, real posture of integrity. This can boost our mood, elevate energy, reduce stress. It's remarkable what our posture can do for our physiology, our mental well-being, spiritual health. It is incredible. We're going to focus on bringing intense posture into everything that we do today. Take a breath and let's get ready to go. Some exercises that we're very used to this March just to get warmed up, but I want you to think about holding your chest up nice and high, chin up, and see if everything that we do today, when you bring intense integrity to it, how that makes you feel. We've been boosting our mood and elevating our energy with all of our workouts. We're gonna ramp it up here by really focusing on posture. So when you go about your day today, when you walk into a room, your head is up high, your shoulders are back. People are gonna look, wow, look at that person. And you're gonna exude confidence, which is gonna elevate them up. We're here to lift each other up and lift others up. Let's get warm. Lots of exercises we've done, but we're just bringing extra integrity and awareness into it. Arms up, elbows up, reach back and forward. Reach back and then twist. Reach back twice, twist each side. Up nice and high. We're focused on building some strength in the upper back. 2 and twist. So that we can hold our head up high, shoulders back. Real integrity. Nice. One more. Feel it in your upper back. Yeah. Okay, let's move side to side. Get the arms going. We're gonna get the heart rate up, boost our mood, get those good hormones flowing, but do it with a greater sense of integrity today. Head up high. Find a spot. This boosts our confidence when we are aware of our posture. Really swing those arms. Let's get nice and warm. Up on your tippy toes, possibly. Just up on your toes. Nice and light. We're gonna move through our day a little lighter, a little stronger, and with a lot more confidence. Okay, standing up, nice and tall. Just, this could look like this for you, that's fine. But, so, trying to build some mobility in the hips, strengthening our legs, finding a spot on the wall, focusing there. Find your flow and go. Keep our arms up. Strengthen our arms at the same time. Oh, building heat. Couple more. Shake it out. Smile. Take a smile into a room when you go also. Real confidence and a smile. Let's elevate everybody we come across today. Oh, what kind of gift is that? Standing cat-cow. You can bend the knees a bit Head up. Real nice posture. And chest forward. Arching the lower back. And then round your back. Chest forward. And round the back. You can't keep your chin up. Building mobility and strength in our spine. Upper and lower back. Remember to breathe. And find your flow. And go. Really round your back. And last one round. Shake it out. Get the arms, yes. Loosey-goosey. And let's just bend. But real integrity. So, reaching to one. Another way. Nice stretch in the side body. Stand nice and tall. Like the idea of exuding integrity. Whatever that feels like and looks like for you. Stretching out the side, the back. Oh yeah. Last one. Oh, brilliant. Oh. Standing. We're gonna come up on our tippy toes, roll the shoulders back and down. Up on the tippy toes, shoulders back and down. Building balance, strength, real focus on the posture. Come up, shoulders back and down. Find your flow and go. Give all your attention, all your awareness into this moment. Up as high as you can, get that balance, and roll back. Now when we come up, let's go shoulders forward, rolling forward. And up, get a nice circle with the shoulders. Build all this strength here so we can keep our shoulders back, head up high. We made it to day 4. We got a lot to be proud of, a lot to have our head up for. One more. Shake it out. Just let it all out, loosey-goosey before we end off here today. You're feeling energized, super confident, because you should be. Share that confidence with the world. If you feel great, you're going to make others feel great also. Let's end it. Superhero posture. Think about this when you walk into a room. You got a test, an important meeting. If you hold this position, this posture for 2 minutes, it really does boost confidence, helps you take more risks, lowers stress. So just stay in this position just for a moment. Head up high, shoulders back, and just exude confidence. And just be here for a moment. Know how powerful you are. Whenever you need a little boost, you move the body, but one simple, incredible posture like this, just exude integrity and confidence, and you'll go through your day more productive, more positive, and more joyful. Thank you for joining me. We will see you tomorrow.